everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and today we have a Stitch Fix to unbox. So for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is a styling subscription box where you answer a few profile questions and then a stylist curates a box of 5 items for you. There is a $20 styling fee, which that $20 comes off of the top of anything that you purchase. If you do keep all 5 items in your box, then you get a 25% discount off of all the items. If not, then the discount isn't applied. So let's get in and see what I got. I already cut it open. This is what the inside of the box looks like. They send you a prepaid mailer bag, so anything you don't like you can send back. Just put it on your porch, mailman picks it up, takes it away. And here is my bundle. Looks like some yellow, some blues, some denim, some black denim. Okay, let's see. And then there is also an envelope in here, so it's a little different. There is a pricing sheet, which we will look at the end, because otherwise I'll be jaded and go off of prices. And then let's see here. Let's read and see what my stylist said. She says, "Hi Lauren, welcome back and happy Fix Day. I hope your summer is off to a great start. Thanks for leaving a note to let me know what you're looking for in today's fix. While I was not able to find all the exact pieces you mentioned, I've sent some similar styles that I think will be a match. First, I've sent the Prosperity Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket, which I've been looking for a denim jacket, that is similar to the Colton denim jacket that you mentioned. I've sent the piece in the size you requested. How does this feel for you? I also know that you were washing, or I know that you were washing a casual knit dress, so watching is probably what it says, and she misspelled it. So I've included the Loveappella Torri knit maxi dress. Try pairing it with your new denim jacket for an on-trend casual look. We didn't have the Dear Jen cut from the cloth, but I did send the Gen 7 Bermuda shorts in black. What do you think about these? Enjoy. Let me know what you think. XO Lucia." And Lucia has been my stylist now for probably like the last 10 fixes that I've done, and she's fantastic. I love her. So let's open this up and see what we got. Some bright yellow. This is kind of pretty. So this is it's by West Key. It's a bright yellow top. It's got a twist knot in the front. It's a V-neck. It's a little on the sheer side. I can kind of see, the lights through it. But that's a nice lightweight summer top. So we'll try that on, see what it looks like. Next we have, let's see what the tag says. This is the pink Clover Kamie button back knit top in navy. It is also a Stitch Fix exclusive, which means you can't buy anywhere else except for Stitch Fix. It's very soft. It's kind of thick. There's that, and then it's got the little button details going down the back. Try that. Next, this must be the dress she was talking about. Oh wow, that's the dress. This is the Loveappella Torri knit maxi dress in navy. It's like a navy floral. It's kind of got a flutter sleeve, and so let's see here. It's got a faux wrap in the front, and then also up here along the top part, it's got some little, I don't know what you'd call that, like a crochet detail across the front in both. So that's pretty. We'll try that on and see how that looks. Here's what I was looking forward to. This is the denim jacket by Prosperity. It's the Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket. Oh yeah, it is definitely, it's got a little bit of stretch. It's got some distressing, I see up here along the collar. Let's see. Again, another Stitch Fix exclusive. Let's see what these, if there's anything on these tags just about washing here. But definitely it's got silver buttons, got the buttons on the front, it's got the pockets in the front also that I like. The distressing, I don't know how I feel about the distressing. but the wash is about what I'm looking for, so we'll try it on, we'll see how it fits. And then last, these are the Gen 7 Bermuda short in black. So we'll see how these look. These definitely are stretchy. We've got a rolled cuff at the bottom. It is stitched. So we'll take a look here. And we'll try these on too. So give me just a minute and then we will try everything on. Okay, I've got on the pink Clover top with the button details in the back. It's got this cute white band around the sleeves. It's super soft on the outside. The inside is a little bit more, I don't know, kind of scratchy. It's not soft like the outside is. It's almost like that kind of underneath, like a sweatshirty kind of material, but it's not fleecy. It's a little scratchy, but it is super cute. It's got these button details going down the back. Move my hair a little bit out of the way, but I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think in the comments below. It's okay. It's a good basic piece. It's probably not my favorite at the moment, but I'll try on the other stuff and we'll see how everything else goes. Okay, so now I have on two pieces. I've got on the West Key top and the Gen 7 shorts. I probably would not pair these two together. I think I'm gonna go try on a different pair of pants with this top, but I wanted to just show you guys the shorts, why I had them on. They're definitely longer than what I'm used to. I don't know, not really. They kind of remind me of like the shorts my grandma used to wear. They're just a little bit too long. If they were like rolled up more, but because they're stitched right here, if you were to roll them up, I just feel like they're gonna roll back down. They're okay. So, not my favorite, but they do fit nicely. They're comfortable, super comfortable. It's just, I think the length is just a little bit too long for me. But hold on, I'm gonna go put on a different kind of pants to try on with this top. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the West Key top with a pair of pants in the way I would wear this outfit. I would pair this with a pair of white jeans. I think it looks so much cuter this way. It's much more flattering. The shirt's super cute. It's lightweight. It's not as see-through as I thought it was gonna be. And I really like this outfit. Like, this is something I could totally picture myself seeing on the weekend, wearing on the weekends, going to a barbecue. I mean, this is super cute. I like this a lot. Okay, so now I have on this Loveappella Maxi dress. This is super comfortable, and surprisingly, I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. It fits well. It's super feminine. It's got the embroidery kind of like right through here and this nice pleating. It just makes this part look super nice to me. It's, like I said, it's light, it's comfortable. My only issue is that the only place that I go, dressed up is work, and I don't know if this is something that would be considered work appropriate. I really like this. This is super cute. Let's try it on with the jean jacket on how she recommended. This jean jacket by Prosperity, it's super lightweight. It's not thick. Let's try and see. Well, the sleeves are nice. Oh, nice through the shoulders. That's always a test for me. I do like it though. What do you guys think? How does that look with this dress? Yeah, this is definitely something that I'm tall enough to where I can wear maxi dresses. I don't own any. So, I don't know. I like it. It's just, where would I wear it to? That's the big question. And then this jacket, this is nice. I don't know. I gotta think about it. It's the right arm length. The sleeves are perfect. It's got the perfect through here, through the shoulders. It's got good stretch. And I like that it's got the pockets up in the front. All in all, I think that, she did a decent job with this box. So let's wrap things up and go through pricing. Okay, so let's go over pricing for everything. I also forgot to mention that they also provide you with a style card for each item, and then they kind of give little recommendations on what to pair with each item that comes in your box. That's always kind of fun to see what they match things up with. I always like to kind of look at that as like a guide sometimes, but you know. All right, so let's get into this. So, let's start off here. So the dress, the Loveappella Torri knit maxi dress, is $78. I liked it on way more than I thought I was going to. It's very cute. $78. I need to really think about where I'm gonna wear it to though. All right, so next we have the pink Clover, the Kamie button back knit top in navy. This little stripe number is $38, so that's not too bad. The Gen 7 black Bermuda shorts, these are $79. You know, they're nice, they're good quality, they have great stretch. I actually have a pair of Gen 7 jeans that I really like. But these shorts, I don't know, I think they're just too long on me. They weren't my favorite. So I'm probably gonna pass. Let's see here. Next up, we have the West Key Allura knot detail blouse in yellow that is $42. This was super cute. Really like this a lot. Once I paired it with the white denim jeans that I had, I thought it looked much better, but I even think that with a pair of blue jeans it would look just as cute, or even like slacks, like maybe gray slacks, or well, maybe not gray, but I don't know, I think this would be really cute and it's versatile. You could probably pair it and wear it to work, so I like that. And then last is the Prosperity Jolene Stretch Denim Jacket. This is $68. So I need to think about this one. You guys need to let me know what you thought about this denim jacket. I'm not real sure how I like the distressing on the jacket. I think I'd rather have something more clean, but I do like how it fit. It did fit really well. It came down to the hips. Sleeve length was good. So I'm gonna need to think about that one. And so let's see here. So the Stylist subtotal for everything in the box is $305. My buy all discount, if I was to purchase all 5 items, is 25% off, which is $76.25, which brings it down to $228.75. So that is something that the whole box is $228.75. That would be my price that I would pay. So I would love to hear your feedback. So put any comments down below. Also, I'm going to provide my link. So if you want to try Stitch Fix out, there's a link that I'm going to put in the details below that if you sign up, you can get $25 off your first box. As always, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe so you can be up to date on my next video that'll come out soon. Hope you all have a great day. See you next time. Bye.